Hey guys, today in this video we're going to learn how to fix login error on TikTok. So if you're wondering how we can actually fix our login error on TikTok, all we gotta do is check our internet connections and choose whether between the Wi-Fi and our data bundles, which one will be more fast and efficient in using so that to be able to log in into our TikTok. And then we can check if our TikTok applications have any updates for us to update them to the latest version and to stop the login error on our TikTok. Lastly, all we can do is to force restart our devices, and that's going to be done by long pressing on our power on and off button until it shows us another screen that has two options on power off and to restart, and we are going to press on the restart. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you did learn something and you were able to fix your login error on TikTok, and see you guys on the next video.